Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming flight times and lodging, then pull travel documents and essentials into your carry-on so you're ready to move. Once done, pack a single outfit for arrival and include chargers plus a compact day pack for immediate use. Make sure to choose reef-safe sunscreen and comfortable sandals to avoid bulky shoes. This step gets you out the door quickly and prevents scrambling on arrival. It also keeps valuable items with you for security and convenience. You now organize clothing and gear efficiently. Roll shirts and use packing cubes to compress and separate swimwear, active gear, and evening clothes. Once cubes are packed, layer for weather, one light rain jacket plus a versatile hoodie, and limit shoes to 2 pairs to reduce weight. Make sure to include a snorkel mask and reusable water bottle to avoid rentals and plastic waste, and pack a small first aid kit with blister supplies. This approach balances readiness for beach, and you finish by weighing bags, securing locks, and moving liquids into clear leak-proof pouches so airport screens are easier. Once done, download offline maps and key reservations, enable eSIM or roaming if needed, and leave a copy of your itinerary with someone at home. If something goes wrong, like baggage delay, stay calm, document missing items, buy essential replacements, and file a claim with the airline immediately. They'll often reimburse basics. This final sweep prevents common travel headaches and keeps you focused on enjoying Maui.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.